Hi, in this video, I'm going to show how you can send a group message via NisWire. So on HubSpot, come to contacts, search for any contact. Once you open the contact, navigate to the NisWire CRM card and click on Actions. Click on Send a group message. Now you'll be able to view all the existing Telegram groups that your Telegram number is present in. If you were to upgrade to a professional plan, what you essentially will be able to do is if I were to click on a group and initiate a conversation like so, this group name will get saved as a contact in HubSpot. Let me show you. As you can see, that group name has been created as a contact in HubSpot, and all the messages that you send will get synced here and you'll be able to view it. You can also view the actions if you were to click. It will only prompt you to send a group message as this is a group. That was all about sending group messages on Telegram using NisWire.